Yeah, okay, so I'm sick. So singing when I have a cold is kind of funky because my voice is really weird. So I'm going to record this and see what happens. I was going to sing this tonight at the open mic, but I couldn't remember whether or not I'd do it properly, so here you go. There's a high flying bird way up in the sky. Yes, I wonder if she looks down as she flies on by. Well, she's riding the air so easy in the sky. Lord, look at me here. I'm rooted like a tree. I got no sit down, can't cry. Oh Lord, I'm gonna die blues. Well, I had a man, and he lived in the mine. He never saw the light of day, but Lord, he never stopped trying. Then one day, my man had died. I said my man up and died. Now there's a high flying bird way up in the sky. And I wonder, does she look down as she flies on by? Well, she's riding the air so easy in the sky. Lord, look at me. I'm rooted like a tree. I got no sit down, can't cry. Oh Lord, I'm gonna die blues. I got no sit down, can't cry. Oh Lord, I'm gonna die blues. Lord, look at me. Yeah, I'm rooted like a tree. I got no sit down, can't cry. Oh Lord, I'm gonna die blues. Well, anyways, I put my armor on before I went out today. That's why my face looks so pretty. And I lost an earring, so if anybody finds one of these puppies at a cafe or something random, like Kanaka, it's a really nice earring, and I'd love to have it back again. Bye.